Hey, good morning, August
Good morning.
13th. It's day 33,
Mm-hmm.
mile 302.9. We're back on the trail after a nice visit, probably our best town visit in Gunnison.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks to Amy's shuttle service and Max. Max shuttled us around back and forth. Without him, I don't think it would have been half as good a visit in Gunnison. And we recommend Gunnison because it has, once you get in town, you're close to all the amenities that you need. The Walmart, they have a great grocery store right next to the Walmart.
City Market, I think.
City Market is called. They have a little hiking shops, sporting goods. Everything's within walking distance once you get inside Gunnison. And the restaurant we ate at was delicious. I can't remember what it was, High Country or anyway. We took a picture of it. But so today we're going to get some miles in, and looking forward to getting back on the trail, and hopefully getting you some views. And thanks for joining us. Not a lot of views so far, but here's a nice one. Got some vid on there. Alright, 317.2. The wind's blowing, you can see the storms behind us. Tents are set up. We've already eaten dinner, we're ready to get in the tent before we get rained on. You can hear it coming.
There's the crack.
It was a good walk today in a nice pretty area. You got some good views. It was kind of flat, kind of nice. But we got to boogie down to the tent and get bundled up before we get rained on. So thanks for watching. We're checking with you tomorrow, and Off we go into bed early. I know it,
Blessings.
but you got to get in there before it rains.
Yeah.
See ya. Hey, good morning. Day 30.
Yes.
Yeah, day 34, August 14th.
August 14th.
Yeah, miles 317.2. It was, we first got here, it was really windy. I'm talking,
Windstorm.
yeah, I would say up to, I don't know, 40-mile-an-hour winds. I'm pretty impressed with the tents that they held up the way they did.
But we were blessed. The rain never got here.
Yeah,
It was black over. We heard the lightning when we sat down, but the rain never got here. So it was just a wind event.
Yep, and we got dinner in and everything, and the cows moved up over here beside the trail, and they were mooing, and all kinds of noises going on up here. So it's kind of chilly this morning, as you can tell. We're going to head down to a water spot, get some water, and try to get in some miles. We'll get you some views as we can. Thanks for watching.
Blessings.
Yeah, we're walking along, and Scott and I were just talking about how gorgeous it is. It's just so beautiful. It's such a gorgeous, beautiful morning, not a cloud in the sky. Of course, we anticipate that changing.
We finally popped off of road walking back down onto a trail and heading down to our water source for today, and then down through that little valley. We finally popped off of road walking back down onto a trail and heading down to our Okay, we just crossed a creek, got wet feet for the first time on the trip, and entered the La Carrita Wilderness, which is straight ahead. No motorized vehicles. Yay.
End of day 34, we got in our tent just before big rainstorm came. We heated up water and put it in our meals and brought the meals inside the tent because you should not cook in your tent. But it turned out okay and made it just in time because it hailed and rained. A little bit about today's hike. The section was up, was flat mostly, but also had some steep ups. And one portion, it was a ridge. I wouldn't even call it a ridge walk. It was a side of a hill walk, and in portions of it, the trail was totally washed out. Made it very challenging. It was for me. It was pressure on my right foot the whole time, and probably the way back about, I guess, the first week, I kind of sprained my right foot, and it kind of flared up off at doing that, just the pressure on my right foot. And but that side hill trail was pretty pitiful. The views were, again, spectacular, as they are in Colorado. The water, oh my gosh, I gotta tell you about the water. Well, we get this water, and there's cows all around the water. And both of us, we filter it and everything. When both of us, we start to drink it, and it just tastes like cow. So, if you could imagine what cow butt tastes like, that's kind of what the water tasted like. So we went a long distance without hardly drinking any water because it tasted so bad. But we got past section 19. We were in section 19, all those things that were going on. And we got into section 20, and the streams in 20 were like magnificent. We drank the water, and it was something out of a commercial, So anyway, that was just the interesting parts of the day. You saw some of the videos and stuff. But another day where we got into our tent before we got rained on, and the weather in the morning is just crystal clear, and then in the afternoon, right around 5, sometimes 4:30, 4 o'clock, it starts clouding up. So tomorrow we're going to go way up. So we need to get most of our hiking done well before 4 o'clock, so we can get down off the ridges. So anyway, good overall day. Thanks for watching, and help and being a supportive of our hike. And we hope to give you something to watch tomorrow. Good night.